to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So today I'm going to be styling a table for one. Come on with me, guys. Now I am going to be using, as you can see, some blue chinoiserie pieces. I'm absolutely loving those little florals. I couldn't figure out where I purchased the mini roses, but it was Michael's and there was 79 cents a bunch. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and the co-hosts are Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and Jean Home Decor, and more. I do want to say that normally hosting with me would be Tablescapes by Candy. How exciting. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now let's get started so I can tell you where I got these pieces. Let's look to see what I have so far. So the tablecloth, absolutely beautiful tablecloth. I love it. That was thrifted at the Goodwill. Then my blue chinoiserie plates and that little mini vase, that was thrifted. And I just cannot believe how inexpensive it was for me at the thrift store. So those were some awesome buys. The florals, as I said before, did come from Michael's, and I paid 79 cents for each bunch. There's only 2 bunches in there, and it looks gorgeous. So since I'm going to have some tea, I decided to use this matching tea with the cover on it, the teacup. And I forgot to mention that the charger in white came from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful little white plate. I absolutely love it. I use it quite often. We're going to use that as a coaster today for that wine glass that I purchased at Walmart, and then the water glass I got from the Dollar Tree. That candle holder with the votive, that came from the Dollar Tree. The utensils that I'm using did come from Party City. The napkin was thrifted, and the napkin holder is a tie from the Dollar Tree. And this whole setup looks absolutely gorgeous. What's amazing about this collaboration that I absolutely love, Styling My Way, is that each of us have a unique way of decorating. And so whether it be something small that you move around your house or an area, or a DIY that you absolutely love and then you blended it in with your decor, any area, indoor, outdoor, anywhere in your space, if you are decorating or want to style an item, you just style it right here on Styling My Way. And then this way we get to see what your styling, unique way of styling is. Now, I do want to take a moment. Here we are at the reveal, and I think everything came out absolutely beautiful. I want to thank all of the hosts and co-hosts who joined me in this collaboration, Styling My Way. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.